Fucking hell. You're just swallowing it whole. You're like a snake. Like a python. Do you think you're a python? You're not a fucking python, you're a tortoise. Look, just leave me alone and eat the chicken. You monster. God, you're such a monster. Go on. If you have to be a flesh-eating dinosaur, eat the chicken, not me. Oh God. You're such a monster. I can't believe you just swallowed that big lump of chicken whole. What kind of tortoise are you? I know you're a Greek one, but maybe you want souvlaki. I haven't got any souvlaki, stop chasing me. Stop chasing me, monster. Come on, I'll lead you back to the chicken. Oh, you're such a monster. Oh, man. Here, go on, eat that. Yeah, there's something else. What a beast. What do you think of that, Battle Cat? You didn't want it, so now Rocky's having it. I gave this chicken to Battle Cat and he turned his nose up at it. Rocky's wolfing it down. You better watch it, Battle Cat. She'll eat you too. Oh man, not satisfied with the chicken. She wants to have a go at me. You're such a monster. You're pure dinosaur. That's all the thanks I get. You're trying to headbutt me out of the garden. You're such a beast. You psycho tortoise. Watch out, Battle Cat. Oh. I'm not moving, it's my garden. Oh, look, stop headbutting me, you big monster. Oh, you're so heavy. I can hardly pick you up with one hand now. Come on, eat your chicken. What do you think of that? Sharing your garden with this mad tortoise. You're not impressed? Oh, here she goes. Here she goes. Tortoise aggro. That is one fierce tortoise. Fierce, dangerous, flesh-eating, head-butting Greek tortoise. Maybe a Spartan. Are you a Spartan? Come on, you big monster. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, see how big she is. Look how big she is. Stop trying to get me. Just eat that. No, still wants to fight. You going into headbutt mode?